Apple Intelligence versus Siri. What's the difference? Choosing the right Apple AI assistant can transform how you interact with your devices without confusion. Apple Intelligence and Siri offer unique features and capabilities to explore. Apple Intelligence and Siri are both AI-driven tools from Apple designed to enhance user experience. The core difference lies in Apple Intelligence acting as a broader, integrated system for smart device interactions, while Siri is the dedicated voice assistant focused on voice commands and direct responses. Apple Intelligence refers to the suite of AI technologies embedded across Apple devices, enhancing everything from personalized suggestions to smart automation. It works by analyzing user behavior, preferences, and context to provide proactive assistance. For example, it can suggest apps, optimize battery usage, or enhance photo organization through machine learning. Its strength lies in seamless integration across hardware and software, creating a cohesive ecosystem experience. However, it operates mostly behind the scenes and requires user data to function effectively, raising privacy considerations for some. Apple Intelligence is ideal for users who want a smart, intuitive system that improves device performance and personalization without constant manual input. Siri is Apple's voice-activated personal assistant that responds to spoken commands and questions. It works by processing natural language requests and executing tasks like sending messages, setting reminders, or controlling smart home devices. Siri's strengths include hands-free operation and quick access to information, making it perfect for multitasking or accessibility. However, Siri's capabilities are limited to voice interaction and predefined commands, and it may struggle with complex or ambiguous requests. It also requires an active internet connection for most functions. Siri is best suited for users who prefer voice control and want immediate assistance with everyday tasks, especially while on the move. Apple Intelligence and Siri complement each other but serve different purposes. Apple Intelligence acts as a background AI layer, enhancing device performance and user experience without direct interaction. For example, it can automatically organize photos or suggest shortcuts based on habits. Siri, on the other hand, is the frontline voice assistant, offering direct communication through speech. In real-world use, Apple Intelligence benefits users who want smarter automation and personalization, while Siri suits those needing quick voice commands and hands-free control. The trade-off is between passive intelligence that improves over time versus active assistance that requires user engagement. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize seamless background optimization or immediate voice-driven interaction. Choose Apple Intelligence if you want a comprehensive behind-the-scenes AI that enhances your device's overall intelligence and personalizes your experience continuously. Opt for Siri if you need a reliable, voice-activated assistant for hands-free control and quick task execution. Together, Apple Intelligence and Siri create a powerful AI ecosystem, each excelling in different areas to boost your Apple device experience.